In the vast expanse of our universe, there are countless mysteries that continue to baffle and intrigue scientists and stargazers alike. However, some moments in space exploration have truly stood out as being particularly mind-blowing, revealing secrets that we never even dreamed existed. In this video, we will be discussing some of the most incredible and thought-provoking moments in the history of space exploration. These are the moments that have expanded our understanding of the universe and left us in awe of the mysteries that lie beyond our planet. Get ready to have your mind blown as we take you on a journey through the cosmos and unveil the secrets that planets and stars have been hiding from us. Number 10. The WOW signal. The WOW signal is one of the most famous and intriguing radio signals ever detected from space. It was picked up by the Big Ear radio telescope in Ohio in 1977 and has never been explained. The signal was just 30 seconds long, and it came from the direction of the constellation Sagittarius. What makes this so mysterious is that it was not a natural phenomenon, such as a supernova or a feasting black hole. It was a narrow-band radio signal that had an unusual pattern that was unlike anything else that had been seen before or since. Despite numerous follow-up attempts, the WOW signal has never been repeated. It remains a tantalizing clue to this day, leading many to believe that it could be evidence of extraterrestrial life trying to communicate with us. The WOW signal continues to captivate the imagination of scientists and UFO enthusiasts alike, raising questions about the existence of intelligent life beyond our planet. No. 9. The Pillars of Creation, located in the Eagle Nebula. The Pillars of Creation are among the most photographed and studied areas of space. This vast area of gas and dust is home to thousands of massive stars, and is considered to be one of the most important sites for star formation in our galaxy. What makes the pillars so unique is their towering presence. They are over 1 billion kilometers tall and are shaped like enormous pillars that support the structure of the nebula. The pillars were first imaged by the Hubble Space Telescope in 1995, and they quickly became one of the most famous sights in space. They have been featured on countless posters, calendars, and even stamps. In recent years, the James Webb Space Telescope has captured stunning new images of the pillars, revealing even more detail and wonder. These images show that the pillars are actually made up of smaller structures that are constantly changing shape due to the forces of gravity and stellar winds. Number 8. The magnetic fields of Jupiter. Jupiter has always been an enigma to astronomers and scientists. Its colossal size and powerful storms have fascinated humanity for centuries. However, one of the most mind-blowing secrets of Jupiter is its strong magnetic field. It is so powerful that it extends over 20,000 kilometers from the planet's core. This means that if you were to venture too close to Jupiter, you would be met with a force that is thousands of times stronger than the Earth's magnetic field. But what makes Jupiter's magnetic field so powerful? Well, it all has to do with the planet's core. Unlike Earth, which has a solid iron core, Jupiter's core is believed to be a gigantic ball of metallic hydrogen. This means that Jupiter's magnetic field is generated by the movement of electrically charged particles within this sea of hydrogen. And because Jupiter rotates very quickly on its axis, these particles are whipped into a frenzy, creating an enormous magnetic bubble around the planet. Number 7. The heat death of the universe. The heat death of the universe is a terrifying concept that has been explored by scientists and science fiction writers alike. It is a theoretical end to the universe where everything in the cosmos has reached maximum entropy and no more work can be done. According to this theory, all stars will eventually burn out, leaving only cold, dark matter throughout the universe. Once all the stars have gone out, the universe will be plunged into darkness, and everything will be in a state of maximum disorder. The temperature of the universe would reach a uniform 2.7 Kelvin, and time itself would come to a standstill. There would be no more motion or change, and the universe would be nothing more than a cold, dark, empty void. This concept is supported by the second law of thermodynamics, which states that entropy wins every time. However, it is important to note that the heat death of the universe is only a theory. Some scientists believe that the universe may expand at a faster rate than the speed of light, which would prevent it from reaching a state of maximum entropy. Others believe that the Big Bang Theory is inaccurate and that the universe may be infinite. Number 6. The Red Rectangle Nebula. The Red Rectangle Nebula is a huge cloud of gas and dust located in the constellation Orion. It is one of the largest known nebulae in the night sky and is visible with the naked eye as a faint reddish smudge. One of the most remarkable things about the Red Rectangle Nebula is the fact that it contains two sets of highly collimated jets. These jets are enormous bursts of energy that shoot out from the poles of a young star at nearly the speed of light. The jets are powered by the immense energy released by the star, as it converts hydrogen into helium in its core. As the jets plow through the surrounding gas and dust, they create two enormous cones that extend over 24,000 light-years from the star. The Red Rectangle Nebula is also home to a variety of other interesting features, including bow shocks, knots, and cocoons. These features are created by the interaction between the jets and the surrounding environment. The Red Rectangle Nebula is a fascinating example of the incredible power and beauty of stars. It is also a reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our universe. Number 5. Gliese 1214b. Gliese 1214b is an exoplanet that has captured the attention of scientists and astronomers worldwide. It was discovered in 2009 and is located in the constellation of Ophiuchus. Gliese 1214b is a super-Earth, meaning that it is larger than the Earth but smaller than Neptune. What makes Gliese 1214b so fascinating is its incredibly dense atmosphere. When the planet passes in front of its star, a phenomenon known as a transit, the atmosphere of the planet is briefly illuminated, allowing scientists to analyze its composition. By studying the light that passes through the planet's atmosphere, scientists have been able to identify some of the elements present, including sodium, potassium, and water vapor. The presence of water vapor in particular has raised speculation about the possibility of liquid water on the planet's surface. Gliese 1214b is also believed to have a very thick atmosphere, which may contribute to a greenhouse effect, trapping heat and making the planet habitable. However, despite these promising signs, scientists are still unsure whether or not life could actually exist on the planet. Further research and observation are needed to determine the exact conditions on its surface and to confirm the presence of any potential life. No. 4. Enceladus. Enceladus is a moon of Saturn and one of the smallest of its many moons. Despite its small size, Enceladus has captured the attention of scientists and astronomers due to its unique characteristics. One of the most notable features of Enceladus is its smooth, icy surface, which is crisscrossed by a series of long, deep cracks. These cracks, known as linea, stretch for hundreds of kilometers across the moon's surface and are thought to be caused by tectonic activity. Another remarkable feature of Enceladus is the presence of active geysers. These geysers erupt from the cracks in the ice and spray water vapor and ice particles into space. The water vapor forms a thin atmosphere around the moon, which is the only known atmosphere of any Saturnian moon. But perhaps the most exciting discovery about Enceladus is the evidence of a vast ocean beneath its icy crust. Scientists believe that there may be a global salty ocean beneath the moon's frozen surface, which could potentially harbor life. The discovery of this ocean was made by the Cassini spacecraft, which detected the presence of water vapor and organic molecules in the plumes of water erupting from the geysers. Number 3. The Black Eye Galaxy. The Black Eye Galaxy is a spiral galaxy located in the constellation Coma Berenices. It is easily recognizable by its distinctive black eye shape, which is the result of a high-speed collision between three galaxies. The galaxy is approximately 29 million light-years away from Earth and is one of the closest major galaxies to our own Milky Way. What makes the Black Eye Galaxy so fascinating is the fact that it is a relatively young galaxy. It is estimated to be around 600 million years old, which is only a fraction of the age of the universe. As a result, the galaxy is still undergoing rapid star formation and is home to a large number of bright, hot stars. The Black Eye Galaxy is also notable for its large central bulge, which contains a supermassive black hole with a mass of around 60 million solar masses. The intense gravity of this black hole helps to regulate star formation in the galaxy, and also creates a strong gravitational lensing effect. This allows the Black Eye Galaxy to magnify and distort the light of more distant objects, making them appear larger and closer than they actually are. No. 2. Fast radio bursts. Fast radio bursts are some of the most energetic explosions in the universe, releasing more energy in a few milliseconds than the sun does in a month. They are brief pulses of radiation that last only a few milliseconds, and they have been detected coming from various directions in the sky. What makes fast radio bursts so fascinating is their extreme power and their unusual periodicity. Some bursts have been found to repeat at regular intervals, while others have shown no signs of repetition. The sources of fast radio bursts are still unknown, but several theories have been proposed. They could be caused by a variety of exotic phenomena, such as magnetars, which are highly magnetized neutron stars, or by extra-dimensional activity. One of the most exciting aspects of fast radio bursts is the possibility that they may be used as a tool for measuring the properties of interstellar medium, the gas and dust that fills the spaces between stars. By studying how fast radio bursts propagate through space, astronomers can learn more about the composition and distribution of the interstellar medium. Number 1. Planet 9. Planet 9 is a hypothetical planet in the outer reaches of the solar system. Its existence has been proposed by several astronomers to explain some unusual properties of certain trans-Neptunian objects. According to the hypothesis, Planet 9 is a planet roughly 5 to 10 times the mass of Earth that orbits the Sun in a highly elliptical orbit. This orbit is tilted relative to the Sun's equatorial plane and extends as far out as 20,000 astronomical units from the Sun before looping back around to pass near Neptune every few hundred years. The idea of Planet 9 was first put forward in 2015 by two astronomers, who noticed that several trans-Neptunian objects had clustered orbital elements. They suggested that these objects had been perturbed from their original orbits by a large planet that had not been detected yet. Proponents of Planet 9 argue that its presence is necessary to explain the clustering of orbital elements and the unusual behavior of certain comets. However, critics argue that other explanations, such as the effects of the gravitational pull from the giant planet Jupiter, should also be considered. Despite the controversy, the search for Planet 9 continues and has led to several interesting discoveries. For example, in 2018, astronomers announced the discovery of a new trans-Neptunian object named farthest that had an extremely elongated orbit that could be evidence of Planet 9's influence. These are just a few of the many amazing discoveries that have been made in space exploration. Each of these moments has expanded our understanding of the universe and left us in awe of the mysteries that lie beyond our planet. From the search for extraterrestrial life to the discovery of new worlds, the human race has always been fascinated by the cosmos. And as technology continues to improve, we can expect even more incredible discoveries in the years to come.